I apologize, guys. Welcome back. We just got back from lunch. The seal here, from here to here, there's two little plastic pieces there. That's your seal, and it's actually leaking on both sides. So I don't know if the guy got dirt in here, mound up, and then just kept packing dirt in, and it got inside the actual seal and started leaking. So we're replacing these seals. So on the other side, I've already removed the tire, removed the tie rod, removed the front gear assembly here, took the snap ring out, just drops right off the end. So that's the part, so we're fixing to go back together with her. Part here. So that slides up on there, this turns that, this in turn turns that in turn turns this, and that turns your wheel. So the seal in between here and here was leaking. So we've got a little lube on that, so it'll slide right in. We've got to put this up in the hole, slide it in, put a washer, Exhibit A, on, and snap ring. So this snap ring is actually going in there. Once I get it in, it's snapping. All right, so now they all in and lined up. Slide her up on here and get everything else in line. We close, so now we'll jack our jack up, hold it into place. Probably going to have to hold my feet because I might do a handstand and get under here and line this up. Get some more adhesive. Got it on.
Why is your station so dirty?
Because it's a shop. You saw me sweep it. That's just the way it rolls out here. All right, so we gotta go get some more RVT here. Some old black silicone. As you see here, Ryan's assembling a tractor, NS4710 for a customer. Old Nick here's assembling a CK26, putting in third function, adding a bunch of accessories. Ike here's assembling a K9. This guy's replacing a wheel bearing. On that tractor, a power steering pump on this one. Hydraulic pump, I believe. And this, little bit of everything going on here. Again, he's got a wheel bearing off as well. As you can see, we didn't put a whole lot on there, but see how much it oozes out. So you just want about 1/8 of an inch in the corner of it. She'll squeeze out and seal. And be careful on your tires. If you got a loaded tire that's filled with coolant or ballast or beet juice, instead of being 30 pounds, it could be 250, and it will take you to the ground. So. Ike's laying down on the job again, as usual. All right. Guess we stuck with the old NX 4510. Check hood alignment, check latch, check third function, couplers, pin, service, only leaks when installed. Let's go find it. Get on a field trip here. Jay Copeland, hey buddy. That's Jay Copeland right there.
How you doing?
Pretty good. He retired several years ago. He just hadn't told the company yet. NX 4510. All right, welcome back. We got our NX in. Go ahead and raise the loader up. Put a couple safety braces in here. Last thing we want to do is this thing falling down, ruining my good name. No, no, no. Just hold them tight, keep it from rattling. Plus, when I see these little things, it reminds me they're on there. Yeah, I'd say the hood's a little mangled there. The seal's gone. It's torn there. It should look like this all the way around. Closes good. Opens good. This is upside down. That should be facing down. That's facing down so you can bleed dust and dirt out of it. For some reason it's straight up. Of course, this filters. So we'll replace this filter here. Let's check the old hour meter on this thing. Oh yeah, 200-hour service. It gets a filter anyway. So. Belt's pretty good. Old paint marks. It's good, it's good. Alrighty then, we'll start with a old service. Let's find these filters. Mr. Stroud, wonder where they'll be. That radiator's pretty clean down there. That's good. That's good. Alternator belt's good. AC belt's good. No wires pinched or pulled or paint marks. Checking all the loader bolts. Everything's good, good, good. Pedal's good. Clutch is good. Alrighty. All we gotta do is fill her up with some oil.
So this person's been doing a decent job taking care of the tractor.
Oh yeah, he's properly maintaining his tractor. Staying on top of everything. So makes it a whole lot easier on me and the tractor. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us here at STEC. This concludes our day in the shop, if you will. I hope you got a general overview of what we do in the shop. Hope you understand, learn a few things. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to call us here at STEC Equipment, Monday through Friday. Weekends available. We're here all the time. We try to help out, make sure the customer's satisfied 100%. So y'all just give us a call. Need any tractor advice, questions, concerns, comments. And as of now, it's 5 o'clock, so we're gonna pack it up, head on out. Y'all have a good night.